Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Hey guys, it's R. Malieri here, back with another review on behalf of LockerDome.com in the continuing iPhone jailbreak series, featuring some of the best mods and add-ons you can add onto your iPhone if it's jailbroken. So this week we're covering biteSMS, and what is that, you say? Well, biteSMS is a total revamp of the built-in SMS functionality for iOS. This app is by far one of the best things you can do to your phone if you're jailbroken, and you guys will see why it is so awesome to have a jailbroken iPhone just by looking at this one particular modification. With biteSMS, one of the first things you'll notice is when I launch it, I have the ability to put a passcode on my SMS app. So, if your phone gets lost and you have sensitive data or whatever the case may be, no one is going to be able to get into your text messages and just go through your stuff. So once you put in the code, we are at the configuration page for all of the incredible options that biteSMS has. So first off, you can see that it allows you to switch between using your mobile carrier and biteSMS's own network. So they have a network themselves that gives you special rates. So if you are low on SMSs, if you don't have an unlimited plan like most iPhone users, you can go ahead and switch between sending through your mobile carrier or biteSMS. So it's as easy as just switching over to Byte or switching back to your mobile carrier. With Quick Switch, you can press and hold the send button to have it switch back and forth. So I'll show you what that send button looks like here in a little bit. You also have international rates you can get. So if you're sending internationally, you don't have to pay AT&T and soon Verizon, hopefully, if we get a jailbreak for the Verizon iPhone 4 through biteSMS instead of paying their carriers for their international rates. So all you have to do is just bam, turn that on, and when you send it, it'll automatically switch to biteSMS for an international number. So can't get that with a standard iPhone. Going through the credits here, then you go back down to your SMS plan for your carrier. You can tell it how many texts you have available. If it's unlimited, then it doesn't worry about it. If it is limited and you turn that off, it allows you to set the number of texts that you do have or how much it includes. Plus, if you're in the USA, it lets you keep track of incoming and outgoing text by clicking the USA customers only box. So I'm unlimited, so I don't have to worry about that. And it keeps a counter as well. So if you were on the limited plan, you can see how many you have used currently. You can reset that. And here's the best part. So the lock screen mode is one of the coolest things ever. When your phone is locked, usually if you get a text message, you get the little pop-up that says you have a new text, but it doesn't allow you to do this here, which is basically you can open the text, you can call that person, you can reply, there's templates, there's the ability to Skype and FaceTime, all these different things you can do right from your lock screen without actually having to unlock your phone, go into the SMS app, pull up, and start replying or any of that stuff. So the lock screen mode is the coolest thing ever. And you can see it lets you set some of the options for how that shows up on the lock screen. You can have it show the name and also show the actual content of the text message. So you could see that it says, okay, thanks. Or if you turn off show the text, it would just say John Doe text message. You see how it changed there. It was okay, thanks, and now it says just text message. So if I turn that back on, see, there it is again. This is one of the biggest reasons to have biteSMS. Super cool functionality right from your lock screen. You can configure the same settings for other areas on your phone. So if you're in the unlock screen, you can go ahead and have it do the same thing, show the quick reply or not. Show the standard Apple alert, which looks like that. Or show absolutely nothing. So we want it to show quick reply, and we want it to show the name and the text and all that. So this is something that I showed Chris and that he really, really liked. Even though he doesn't jailbreak his own phone, he did mention that he thought that was a really cool feature. So again, you got all these other things that you wouldn't get with a standard iPhone. You can have it retry on a failed text so you don't even have to worry about your stuff going through. If it doesn't go through, it can set it to retry it, 2, 3, 4, however many times you want it to retry, or put it on 0. So that's that one. Schedules. You can actually schedule your text messages to go out at certain times with this. It's definitely awesome. You can't do that with a regular phone. Delivery reports. You can set the orientation. A signature. You can put a signature in here. So, whatever the case may be, you put in whatever you want for your text signature. And smileys. I have smileys enabled. So you can do emoji and all this other stuff straight from there. Passcode lock, you guys already saw that. You can hide the contact. You can set delays. Character counter, autocorrect. You can set all of that right here from the biteSMS settings screen. So there's an inside look of the workings. And now let's switch into the quick reply. So I'll give you guys a taste of what that looks like on the lock screen. So here we are back on the lock screen, and all I have to do is double click my volume up button, and it gives me this little alert, and I just tap that and it pops it straight up into a text message. And that's how easy it is. I didn't have to unlock my phone. I didn't have to do anything like that. I just tapped my volume button and gave me the ability to pull up a quick text. So Chris is loaded in, and I can just say, hello, Chris, or whatever the case may be, And now here in the bottom, you'll see where all the cool features are. I could open straight into the SMS app. I could call him by pressing the call button, sending the text, or closing this out. Popping up templates is really awesome. I built one for you guys to check out, so you can build as many templates as you want to send quick replies. So I have one already in. I just click templates, loaded it in, and there it is. You can't do that with a regular iPhone, that's for sure. With the pop-ups, I just pop that up and it gives me all my emojis and stuff like that. Let's give Chris a crazy funny face, so we'll put that in there. And there you saw the last two options. So I could Skype him just by hitting that, or I could FaceTime him right from there. There you go, guys. There's a quick look at biteSMS and another reason why you should be jailbreaking your iPhone, and some of the awesome add-ons that you can get for it. Go ahead and check it out, and let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to go to LockerGnome.com for more awesome videos, reviews, and how-tos. Thanks again for watching. This is R. Malieri. You can find me at youtube.com, R. Malieri, and I will see you guys on the next review.